In 2007, we did a facilities assessment and took a look at what the district needed, and we decided that to focus on student achievement. The belief being that if we were to make students comfortable, they would perform better. Times were tough when we were voting, so we were very careful with what we chose, and everything was targeted at student achievement.
Lakeshore Public Schools, they passed a bond. They're going to do a significant amount of work. They were renovating and remodeling their high school, their middle school, and remodeling their elementary schools. Teachers weren't happy with the classrooms. Parts of the rooms would be hot, parts of the rooms would be cold. It wasn't comfortable throughout for the students.
Most of these buildings have under the window type unit ventilators that are noisy, and they're typically heating only. They want to have units that are quieter, and they want to have air conditioning. So that's where we settled on, needing the ClassMate for the type of unit.
We actually looked at 3 different manufacturers. Modine was not, cost-wise, was not the lowest, but because of our comfort level with the quality, they really wanted to get the Airedale unit.
We chose to spend the extra money because of the lack of noise and also the data that they're able to provide of a true decibel rating of the unit, and we weren't disappointed with that.
It's the latest unit to come out. It's got a lot of new technology in it, great EC motors, a microchannel coil for a lot better efficiencies on the cooling side, and really the cooling efficiencies were unmatched, and that was a big part, efficiency. Plus we had certified sound data that we could show them and say, hey, this unit's been in a sound lab, it's been tested, they know it's quiet, we know it's quiet, we've seen them run, we know that this will be a good fit for us.
We have a very good product. I mean, it's well made, it's tested. Modine believes in testing their equipment, and if it doesn't do what we say it's going to do, we're not going to put it out on the market.
We've installed the Airedale ClassMate in all of our elementary classrooms, and then we are installing it in our middle school this summer, and then the high school also has a similar number of units. When I've walked through classrooms, the teachers have been praising the lack of noise and the consistent temperature. I think they were expecting to get the air conditioning, expecting to get the comfort from the unit, but I think the noise was the real surprise to them. They are whisper quiet.